what you're going to see in the video that I'm going to then kind of talk about is something I could not have done even up to August. It's only in the past couple months that I could actually do this movement, but do the movement and feel the correct muscles the entire time. So you could say that the movement, the little exercise that I'm going to do in this video that I'm going to comment on, is the whole point of PRI. I am getting into left stance through my right glute. So you can't tell that from the video, but as I begin, I'm using sensory awareness of the arch of my right foot, but even more so, my right big toe, to allow me to feel my right glute. I don't have to actively contract my glute. I'm not trying to get my glute. Just by being in this position and sensing my big toe of the right foot, I'm feeling my right glute. Then I further shift my pelvis to the left. So I'm kind of starting out in a neutral position. I will end up shifting my pelvis to the left, and because my left foot is forward, I'm shifting into left AFIR, left stance. That's what we're always trying to get to. When our pelvis is stuck to the right, we can't get to the left. We're in a pattern. So just by doing that, I'm turning off that pattern. And now I feel my left hamstring, my left adductor, so my left inner thigh, and my left glute medius, the left outer hip. And these are all the muscles that have to stabilize our femur, our leg, and the left side of our pelvis as the right foot is swinging through the air during swing phase of gait. Also, in order to accomplish this, in order to do this without my pelvis falling forward again, back into the pattern, not only do I have to have those muscles active the entire time, I have to be able to keep my back round. My back on the left side has to stay rounded. The left side has to stay in a state of flexion. In order to accomplish that, I have to have my left abs, keeping that rib cage down and the pelvis back to give me the left ZOA, and to maintain the left ZOA as my right foot moves forward and as my left arm moves forward during swing phase of gait. If you can do all those things and feel all those muscles, you're going to be in good shape. Now, I'm telling you, it took me 6.5 years to be able to do that. I could not have done this, what I'm going to show you, I could not have done this while maintaining all the muscles, while feeling all those muscles the entire time. I couldn't have done that because my visual system would not have allowed it. Before that, my feet wouldn't have allowed it. Before that, my teeth wouldn't have allowed it. Before that, my patterns wouldn't have allowed it. Before that, my pelvis was too unstable to allow it. I could not stabilize. First of all, I could not get to the left, true left stance. I would have fake left stance because of the patterns. Then I was too unstable to hold on to that position without going back into the pattern. Because if you can't stabilize with the appropriate muscles, by definition, you're going to arch your back or you're going to tilt your pelvis forward on the left side. Now that pushes you back to the right too quickly. So all of my challenges in life, physically and mentally, emotionally, behaviorally, were preventing me from doing what you're going to watch right now. So here I am. I have my right, let me just pause it. I have my right big toe and sensing the right glute. Now I'm stabilizing on the left side. Left arm's coming forward, right arm is coming back. My lower back, my back stays round. I'm going to bend my knee a little bit. And I'm sensing my left heel the entire time. And now I'm just returning to the start position. And that's it. So the entire time what I did was I was, through awareness of the ground, through sense of my left heel, I was able to engage my left hamstring, my left adductor, my left anterior glute medius, my left obliques. I was able to stay grounded. I did not extend my back. I did not extend my pelvis. My left side did not fall forward back into the left AIC pattern. I did not extend. I didn't engage my neck, and I was able to continue breathing through my nose. I was able to keep my right side completely turned off. I was walking and breathing as a non-compensatory human breathing. Yeah, I was able to breathe and stabilize as a non-compensatory human in that position. And that is the goal of PRI. You could say that little maneuver right there is everything that PRI is trying to get you to, so that you do not have to use the inappropriate muscles, extension muscles, back muscles, neck muscles, hip flexors to stabilize and breathe, because PRI is walking and breathing. Hopefully that will make sense to you. Hopefully if you're learning PRI or studying PRI, that will give you like, oh, that's an aha moment, because that is, well, then you'd have to do the same thing on the right side also, and then go back to the left and back to the right and back to the left. Usually the right side works pretty easily, besides for the right glute. It's the left side that's always the bigger challenge. But alternation of those positions from right side to left side is walking, and that's really what we're trying to get accomplished. If you found that video interesting or helpful, I'd appreciate if you could like it, share it, comment, subscribe to the channel. It all helps to build the channel and spread more awareness of postural restoration. Thanks.